When it comes to bringing a comprehensive strength training experience into your own home, the Marcy 150 pounds Multifunctional Home Gym Station, MWM 990, certainly makes a bold case. Right out of the box, its premium steel construction feels reassuringly solid. No frail tubing or wobbly welds here. Every frame member is heavy gauge and reinforced with guard rods that cradle the selectorized weight stack, giving the whole structure that, built to last, feel. Whether you're new to resistance training or you've been lifting for decades, there's something deeply satisfying about stepping onto a home gym that looks and feels as sturdy as the benches you find at a high-end facility. One of this unit's standout features is its 150-pound weight stack with a secure safety lock. Unlike the frustrations of loading free weight plates, where a rogue slip can send a 5-pounder clattering to the floor, this selectorized stack lets you dial in exactly the resistance you want with a simple pin. Beginners can start light and gradually progress, while more seasoned lifters will appreciate the smooth increments all the way up. Best of all, the safety lock prevents unauthorized or accidental use, an especially welcome touch if you have children or exercise partners who like to push their limits a little too enthusiastically. Versatility is another strong suit. The dual-action press arms allow for both chest presses and vertical butterfly, pec fly, movements without having to drag out a second piece of equipment. Just pull the locking pin, swap handles, and you've got two major chest sculpting exercises at your fingertips. On my machine, the transition was effortless and took under 10 seconds, a real bonus if you like to superset or circuit train without wasting time fumbling with attachments. When it comes to targeting the biceps, the removable preacher curl pad is a game changer. It's generously padded with high-density boxed upholstery, so your arms don't feel like they're resting on a board. I found it easy to adjust the height to match my limb length, and the isolation it provided made each curl feel laser-focused. It's rare to find such attention to ergonomics in an all-in-one home gym, and that little pad elevated my arm workouts from meh to muscle-burning satisfaction. Leg training is often the overlooked stepchild of many multifunction home gyms, but the MWM 990 doesn't drop the ball. The leg developer station offers both extension and curl options, letting you hammer your quads and hamstrings without ever stepping off the machine. The motion was smooth and consistent, no jerky starts or stops, and the padded rollers were firm yet comfortable, even under heavier loads. In the past, I've dealt with leg attachments that pinch your shins or misalign under heavier weight. This Marcy unit, by contrast, felt well engineered throughout its entire range of motion. Assembly, as with most home gyms, can be its own kind of workout. The manual is serviceable. It lays out the steps in a logical sequence that you will want 2 people, clear floor space, and perhaps a set of socket wrenches ready to go. Some users have reported missing parts or confusing diagrams. I encountered no showstoppers, but I did spend a solid 2.5 hours tightening every bolt to talk specs. If you're the kind of person who enjoys a weekend project, you'll probably find the process satisfying. If you're more impatient, consider enlisting a friend or hiring a handyman to speed things along. Once assembled, the MWM 990 makes a strong case for replacing a gym membership. At a current price of $599, you're getting a full suite of stations, chest press, pec fly, preacher curl, lat pull down, with high and low pulleys, leg extension, and curl, all in one footprint of approximately 68 long by 42 wide by 78 tall. Customers comparing it to Pro-Form or Gold's gym models often note that the Marcy's build quality outshines those more familiar names. I'd echo that sentiment based on my experience. And while it won't fit into a closet, for anyone with a spare corner of a garage, basement, or home gym room, its footprint is remarkably space-efficient. Performance during workouts has been consistently reliable. The guide rods keep plates gliding without wobble, and the cables, though naturally they'll stretch over time, are thick and well anchored to steel pulleys with sealed bearings. After 6 weeks of regular use, I retensioned them once, as expected, and haven't had a snag since. Resistance feels linear and predictable, which is crucial when you're trying to track progress week to week. And if you're someone who likes to follow visual workout guides, you'll appreciate the chart laminated right on the upright frame showing suggested exercises and form tips. Of course, no piece of equipment is perfect. A few taller or very broad-shouldered users have mentioned that the chest press handles can feel slightly cramped during fly movements. I'm 5'11" and 180 pounds and didn't experience this limitation. But if you're over 6 feet with a 50-plus chest circumference, you may want to test drive one in person or ask the seller about return options. There have also been isolated reports of missing parts on delivery. It's always wise to inventory hardware against the manual's list before discarding the packaging. Taking everything into account, The Marcy £150 Multifunctional Home Gym Station MWM990 delivers a level of solidity, versatility, and value that's hard to beat under the $600 mark. If you're looking to consolidate your workout routine into a single, robust machine, one that doesn't skimp on range of motion, ergonomic comfort, or weight progression, you'll likely find this unit more than meets your needs. From chest presses to bicep curls, lat pull downs to leg extensions, it covers every major muscle group with a scale of resistance that accommodates both beginners and intermediate lifters. Sure, assembly demands some patience and space, but once it's standing fully bolted, you've got a mini gym that feels every bit as solid as the machines at a commercial club, without the monthly dues. Whether you're a veteran gym rat looking to retire your membership or a busy professional wanting convenience without compromise, the Marcy MWM990 is a home gym workhorse that earns its keep day in and day out.